There are 6 main reasons why the cryptocurrency market dumped. 1. Comments made by the Federal Reserve this week. 2. Threats of a U.S. government shutdown. 3. Threats of an incoming recession. 4. All of the uncertainty leading up to Donald Trump's inauguration. 5. Quantum computing breakthroughs. And 6. A confluence of uncertainties around another pandemic, weird drone activity, and a potential world war breaking out. And in this video, we are going to break down each one of them together to understand all of the amazing reasons why we should still remain bullish in this crypto bull market through the end of the year and most of 2025. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey and welcome to another episode of Crypto This Week. Let's take a look at the latest global news stories affecting the markets as well as the macro environment at large. Please be sure to check out our sponsors, GoBabyTrade, iTrustCapital, and crypto wallets Tangem and Ledger. Profit from the volatility of the crypto markets without staring at screens all day with GoBabyTrade, an AI-driven robotic crypto trader that connects to our Coinbase account and trades 24/7 for passive income. Watch a full video review here and join the free weekly webinar to learn more. Trade crypto tax-free with your very own IRA or individual retirement account with iTrustCapital, the best crypto retirement account provider available, and max out your account if you can before the end of the year to take full advantage of all the financial benefits. And make sure you own and use multiple cold storage hardware wallets. Tangem is super affordable, extremely easy to set up, like only takes 90 seconds. Great for beginners. And Ledger Stax and Flex wallets have extra security layers, and we can get up to $70 of free Bitcoin for select products. So scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Sweet. All right, let's start out with sorting out 2 comments made by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell that sent markets spiraling into a downturn. As the markets expected, interest rates dropped by 25 basis points, 0.25%, which is bullish. However, the markets did not expect Powell to say there will likely only be 2 rate cuts in 2025 instead of the anticipated 4 interest rate cuts, which is bearish. Markets did not like that. And this comment Powell made about Bitcoin particularly affected the crypto markets. Check it out.
So if I may, speaking of assets that have been buoyant, do you see any value or benefits in the U.S. government building a reserve of Bitcoin?
We're not allowed to own Bitcoin. The Federal Reserve Act says what we can own, and we're not looking for a law change. That's the kind of thing for Congress to consider, but we are not looking for a law change at the Fed.
The Federal Reserve is not a federal entity, it is not a government entity, and it does not answer to the government. And the Federal Reserve has no reserves. It doesn't reserve anything. It is a private central bank with 2 functions that affect us. 1, it controls the money supply. And 2, it controls the cost to borrow money, which is interest rates. So sure, the Federal Reserve is not allowed to own Bitcoin. It's not allowed to own gold either, or any hard assets for that matter. They hold debt in the form of treasury bonds, securities, mortgages, gold certificates, all fugazi. The Federal Reserve is one big scam. Its creation and existence is literally one of the most heinous crimes against humanity. And to learn how and why it exists, check out one of the most important videos you will ever watch by clicking on the link above. Okay, now that we understand the Federal Reserve is completely different from the US government, now it should be clear how and why the US government has gold reserves, and how and why, as Donald Trump has already said, the US government will create a strategic Bitcoin reserve when he gets into office. Bullish, very, very bullish, unprecedentedly bullish. Cool. Next, threats of a US shutdown shook the markets, and now we can see a shutdown was avoided, as government funding was extended until March 2025. Great. Next, threats of an incoming recession. Here's the deal. The data the Federal Reserve posts is not transparent. They can make it up, just like how they make up criteria for things like inflation numbers and what constitutes a recession. They constantly move the goalpost because, like I said, the Federal Reserve is a scam. With that in mind, we've pretty much been in a recession the past few years. They just don't want to call it that. I'm sure they will definitely want to drop the R word whenever Trump is in office. The reality is, if things get worse, since we are already in a recession, we would be headed into a depression, which would be bearish. So if market conditions devolve, yes, it would be bearish for crypto. However, my random wild guess is it would largely affect altcoins and not so much Bitcoin, given the pro-Bitcoin administration taking over the US government next month. This is something we definitely need to stay mindful of as crypto investors over the next few months, as it could put a hamper on the crypto bull cycle. All right, next, all the uncertainty leading up to Donald Trump's inauguration next month, including the drama in the mainstream media about Trump becoming Elon Musk's puppet, what Doge or the Department of Government Efficiency will do, potential political gridlock despite a Republican majority in Congress, just a litany of uncertainties. Markets don't like uncertainties. However, what's great about this one is that certainty will come about after Trump is officially in office and starts making moves. So this one will pass in due time. Cool. Next, quantum computing breakthroughs. What Google's quantum computing breakthrough Willow means for the future of Bitcoin and other cryptos. Google's new quantum chip, Willow, drastically reduces computation times. Its speed and accuracy could theoretically provide hackers with the tools to unlock the algorithms that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are built upon. But Google says it's still 10 years away from quantum that can decode crypto, and new quantum-safe cryptocurrencies may emerge. So here's what we need to know and understand about quantum computing. As a crypto investor, it's not exactly an urgent issue right now or over the next couple of years. However, once it does get to that point, we need to ask ourselves this: is Bitcoin and any other crypto being affected by quantum computing really the big danger to us and society at large? Because every single thing online, on computers, on cell phones will be affected. All right, and the next question we need to ask ourselves is what technology can be updated to levels of quantum resistance easier, faster, and more efficiently? An open, decentralized, transparent, immutable, blockchain-based technological foundation like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? Or all of the old, closed-source, messy, clunky, centralized legacy computer code that the entire global banking system still runs off of? Yes. So guess what this means? This means that warnings of advancements in quantum computing should be a message to traditional financial entities to start adopting and running off of crypto rails and blockchain ledgers in an open source environment so it's easier to update against threats like quantum computing. So long story short, Bitcoin can be updated with post-quantum cryptography, which involves encryption methods designed to withstand quantum attacks. And with some research, it looks like lattice-based cryptography is a potential solution, where basically math problems in lattice cryptography rely on navigating points within, imagine a 3D grid of points, which quantum computers struggle to solve. So if y'all would like a video all about Bitcoin, crypto, and quantum computing, let me know in the comments below. And finally, the confluence of uncertainties with a potential bird flu pandemic, all of the weird drone activity in the US, and a potential world war breaking out, which we discuss how all wars are actually created by private central banks to enslave the world in that video I mentioned earlier about how and why the Federal Reserve was created. Definitely watch that video to understand how and why another world war could break out. So with the pandemic, Bitcoin and crypto would likely do well. It did extremely well during COVID with everyone stuck in their houses, bored, and trading crypto and stocks with their stimulus checks. With weird drone activity, in the long run, it creates more distrust of the government and by proxy, traditional finance. So it's bullish for crypto. And world war, well, sure, maybe bullish for crypto depending on how it shakes out, because usually food, water, shelter, and bullets are in more demand and useful than magic internet coins. Now let's go over all of the amazing reasons we should remain bullish in 2025 despite the latest Bitcoin dip. That was actually a healthy correction that could shape up to be a springboard for future growth and a likely spectacular altcoin season. First, check it out. The reality is when it comes to altcoins, we are all buying mostly useless tech or even some created as jokes, hoping to sell them at a higher price later to someone else. Gambling in a crypto casino. So let's have some dignity and diversify our crypto investment strategies by using a product that generates profit by capitalizing on the volatility of the crazy crypto markets without staring at screens all day, called GoBabyTrade. It is a fully automated crypto trading and money management platform that is enhanced with AI or artificial intelligence, which we explore together in this video you can check out by clicking on the link above. And basically we connect our Coinbase account to the trader, select the cryptocurrencies we want it to trade, and then it does what it seems like in my experience over this year, magic. Looking at the top traders over the past year, we can see that even a starting balance as low as $992 has taken over $1,209 worth of profits, a 122% gain overall. We've been getting a lot of great feedback about it, so scroll down and use the link below to join the free weekly webinar to ask questions live to learn more and redeem a whopping $1,000 discount for a 3-year license. Cool. All right, so all in all, demand in Bitcoin and crypto is rising globally. More retail and institutions are coming, which is extremely bullish. Check it out. BlackRock is going all in on tokenization of real-world assets. They created their own Build fund, which was originally centered around the Ethereum network. And now recently, BlackRock launches new Build share classes across multiple blockchains to expand access and potential of Build ecosystem, including Aptos, Avalanche, Optimism, and Polygon. And Franklin Templeton-backed firm Athena to launch stablecoin with Build as reserves. Deutsche Bank to develop Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain to tackle TradFi compliance issues. Project Dama 2 aims to address regulatory concerns by offering secure Layer 2 blockchain solutions for financial institutions. Coinbase partners with Visa for real-time account funding in the US and EU. Floki partners with MasterCard to launch crypto debit card across Europe. And we've got a ton of cash that's been unavailable that is about to flood into the crypto market soon, as FTX to begin initial distributions by March with Kraken and BitGo as partners. The effective date for FTX's reorganization plan is January 3rd, 2025, with distributions set to start within 60 days. All of this happening in the wake of a super pro-crypto administration that's about to take over the US government, featuring a pro-crypto SEC chair, Paul Atkins, pro-crypto cabinet picks, pro-crypto House, pro-crypto Senate, pro-crypto president and vice president. The writing is on the wall, and some have read it and are taking action. Ohio Representative Derek Marin introduces bill to establish state Bitcoin reserve. House Bill 703, the Ohio Bitcoin Reserve Act, proposes creating a state Bitcoin fund and granting the treasurer authority to buy the crypto. French Member of Parliament Sarah Nafo urges EU to adopt Bitcoin for financial autonomy and liberty. Nafo argues that Bitcoin would provide financial freedom and protect citizens from the control of centralized financial systems. We've got Brazil, Russia, Poland, Japan, countries all around the world planning to accumulate and use Bitcoin as strategic national reserves. Game theory is in full effect. Bitcoin is ushering in a bloodless revolution. A new war is starting to wage. The Cold War of National Bitcoin Reserve. Global race for digital gold. Listen up, there is not enough Bitcoin to fulfill this demand. Bitcoin's price will go past the moon, past Mars, likely completely out of the Milky Way towards Andromeda over the next several years. Do not, I repeat, do not keep your Bitcoin on an exchange. With most exchanges, several people are literally looking at the same exact Bitcoin on their screens in their account. If everyone decided to withdraw their Bitcoin from exchanges, there would not be enough to go around. Exchanges would freeze withdrawals. You need to transfer your crypto off of exchanges by using and owning multiple different types of cryptocurrency hardware wallets. Don't keep all of your eggs in one basket when dealing with this new cutting-edge, high-risk technology. Tangem Wallet is a set of 3 cards that work just like having a set of 3 house keys that function as backups. It's by far the easiest crypto hardware wallet to set up and use on the market right now. It literally only takes 90 seconds to set up, perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. And Ledger offers premium crypto hardware wallet options like the Ledger Stax and Flex devices. With extra security layers, they are the first of their kind as a new crypto wallet category, which is a secure touchscreen, featuring a full keyboard and keypad, making it super user-friendly. Ledger offers our community the best discounts available on the market, with up to $70 of free Bitcoin for select products. So be sure to scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Remember, always stay bullish in a bull market. I mean, look, Bitcoin is still in a bullish trend on the weekly and would have to close below 70K on the weekly to flip into a bearish trend. Stay bullish, fam. This time around, it's much, much different. We know, and the rest of the world is starting to realize, crypto is inevitable. Awesome. If you would like to see the fully automated AI-enhanced crypto trading and money management platform, GoBabyTrade, in action, check out this video. If you would like to learn more about how Tangem Wallet works to transfer your crypto off of exchanges step by step, check out this video. And to max out your crypto retirement account before the end of the year and start trading tax-free with iTrustCapital, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.